Hello and thank you for joining us for part 5 of our Getting Started with InfoFlo. Today we're going to be looking at some of the advanced settings in InfoFlo. For instance, how to set up custom fields and additional custom fields in contacts, companies, and projects, and how to add additional components to tasks and opportunities. So let's take a quick look. So most of the administrative pieces in InfoFlow are within settings and preferences. So let's first look at creating a custom field for your contact section. So you'd click on contacts and then click on custom fields. So you can see here I already have a list of some custom fields, but let's take a look at creating one or two examples. So if I wanted to create a custom field, I would hit add, give the name of the field, so let's call this sample field. And now you'll notice the second column, if I click within it, you'll have a drop-down list. And these are the different types of custom fields. So let's quickly just go through each one. Text is just a regular text field. Number is if you want to create numbers. I would recommend that you not use number or scientific because they're both numbers. I think text is just as good as the other two. Boolean is if you want to create a checkbox, so yes or no. Date is a date field, time is a time field, date and time field, and then combo. Combo is a drop-down list. So to create a combo field, you can see you select combo, you click within here, within the data values column, and this will open up. So all you need to do is for each part, you just put in each field that you want to enter in this drop-down list. Per line, just hit OK. And now let's hit apply and OK. Let's edit this contact. Let's go to the custom field section, and you'll see the sample field that I created is a drop-down list. And here are some other fields that were created from before. So you can do this exact same setup for custom fields for companies and also for projects. And to do that, again, you go into preferences, and then for companies, you'd go into the company section, custom fields. And if you want to go into the project section, you go to projects, and same thing, you go to custom fields. It's exactly the same setup. Some other advanced settings that you can configure, for instance, is within calendar, you can create the types of calendar appointments. So if you want to make it a follow-up appointment and give it a color, specific color, you can do that. So you can just hit add and add the different types, or we call them calendar categories within InfoFlo. And you'll see that when you click new appointment, you'll see over here categorize. Just be aware that when you put in these new category appointments, you'll want to refresh InfoFlo, meaning log in, log out for those to appear in your calendar. Let's look at a couple more here. The next place to configure is tasks. So within tasks, we have types, types, status, and priority. Each of these you'll see when you open up a new task. So it's very simple. You can just add the different lists of types of tasks that you want. So you can see here we give you some generic ones. Statuses, again, we give you some generic ones. You can add a new one. It's very simple. Just hit add. Everything is right there in front of you. And then priority, same exact idea. Hit add, and then you can give it a different icon, flag color. That's it. And you'll see those changes appear when you hit new, when you hit on a contact and new task. So you'd see those appear here, here, and here. And the last advanced setting that we're going to go through today is opportunities. So when you create a new opportunity, you're going to have the different types meaning products and services that you sell. So you can see here are the different types that I have. Very simple, just hit new and add them. You'd want to check off one that's a default. So in our case, InfoFlo is default because that's our main product. Stages, this is your sales cycle. So you want to select which one you want. Just notice that you'll have a default option for a stage. You also have a won and a lost. A won is when you select one, so closed in one, in this column, that says that the deal is complete. It's no longer an opportunity. It's now a sale, and it's a completed one sale. The opposite is with the one that you select, which is lost. So it's a completed, but it's a lost sale, and that will also appear in the sales tab. And then you have currencies. So we give you by default several currencies. You can add your own one. So that's everything for today. This should cover most of the basic advanced features that you need to go through in InfoFlo. If you have any questions or any concerns, please be in touch with our support team and they'll be more than happy to help.